Governor Mike Cooney toured parts of Sun River today, damaged by flooding. And that's where we find MTN's Kaylee Collins, who spoke with him after he saw the damage.
And Kaylee, what did the Lieutenant Governor see during that tour?
Yeah, when Cooney came through town, he was met with damage just like this behind me, a pile of debris left on the side of the road after those floodwaters did recede. Now, this is video from earlier today of some of that damage. There's still some water running across streets and property that has been ripped from the ground by the amount of saturation. Cooney says while it's going to be a while before things get back to normal, people aren't letting this bring them down.
These sorts of disasters are hard on people, but these communities come together, they want to help each other, they're willing to do whatever it takes. And the people I spoke to, their spirits were pretty doggone high. Yes, they've gone through a lot, they're somewhat in shock. This isn't, for some of them, it's not the first flood they've been through, but they're going to get through it. But this is tough. This disrupts people's lives.
Yeah, and he did add that there will be continued resources and continued help for people who have been affected by this flooding. And some of that help was actually at the LDS Church in Sun River earlier today. The Cascade County Health Department sanitarians were out there answering questions about contaminated wells, septic systems, and mold. Nurses were also on site giving out tetanus vaccinations for free to emergency responders and anyone impacted by flooding.
We really want to try and help with the flood recovery efforts. You know, flooding is unexpected, it's sudden, and people are not often prepared. And so anything we can do to help people recover and get back to their day-to-day lives, we will do.
Now, the Salvation Army and the American Red Cross were both out there answering questions as well and handing out health kits. The American Red Cross did tell me if they're able to get into Augusta because of the roads, then that will be their next stop to help some people out. But for now, in Sun River, Kaylee Collins, MTN News.